This is a Sangean pillow speaker, model PS-300, which differentiates itself from many other cheap pillow speakers by having an amplifier available. You don't have to use it. There's a switch which allows you to turn the amplifier on or not use it, and as it happens, the speaker in this unit is sufficiently sensitive that most of the time you will not need the amplifier, which of course requires a battery if you're going to use the amplifier. You don't need a battery if you're not using it. This is the third unit that I've received. Why have I got three? Why have I had three of these? Well, the first one came and it did not work correctly. So I contacted the seller and they took it back and sent me another one. The second one also did not work correctly in exactly the same way. And I thought, well, that's too much of a coincidence to be a manufacturing fault in two units in succession. But they were not convinced, and so they decided they'd send me out a third one without asking for the second one back. And this is the third one. So let's have a look at what the problem is, or should I say, a listen to. Okay, so speaker, control module which has volume control and the on-off switch only required for the amplified mode, and of course the cord. Now, you'll notice that the plug is a stereo plug, and as you can see from the diagram I've posted, the standard connections for a stereo phone plug, regardless of what size it is, what diameter, is that the long part of the body is the common, or ground as we sometimes call it. The isolated ring section is for the right channel, and the tip is for the left channel. Now, since there's only one speaker, obviously both channels have to go into that one speaker if you're going to hear all of the music. So it's a mono speaker, mono reproduction, but the two stereo channels should be equally mixed to create that mono signal. What I'm going to do to demonstrate this problem is I have a signal generator which is set up to generate a 1 kilohertz tone, sine wave. So this is the common connection, the black, and the red has the signal. And as I touch it onto the tip and the ring, it should produce a tone through the speaker. So let's try first the tip, left channel. You can hear that. And the ring, right channel, nothing. Left channel tone, right channel nothing. Now I'm going to show you, or play for you, a second unit. This in fact was the second one that I received from the seller, who were very good about this whole process. So same arrangement, same plug, no battery in the amplifier, which is turned off anyway. Connect the common to the common connection, and now, whoops, right, connect that. So tip, left channel, ring, right channel, also playing through the speaker, right, left, right. So what is different about this one? The difference is that I have fixed this one. So the problem turned out to be a design mistake. As you can see from the circuit diagram, which I reverse engineered after taking the unit apart, looking at the black part of the drawing, the ring from the plug in the top left corner, which carries the right channel signal, connects to a resistor which then connects to common or ground. In other words, the signal from that right channel is just grounded. It goes nowhere, it does not go to the volume control or the speaker. Whereas the signal from the left channel, from the tip, as you can see, goes through also a resistor, and connects to the top of the volume control, which in turn eventually gets to the loudspeaker, whether through the amplifier or directly. So you can see my modifications, which were drawn in red, which involved simply cutting the connection from that right channel resistor to ground, disconnecting it from ground, changing the value to be 10 ohms, the same as the one in the left channel, and then rewiring the bottom of that resistor to the top of the volume control, the same as the left channel is connected. And that way both channels are equally mixed into the volume control. I consider this a rather serious and dumb error on the part of Sangean designers, and hopefully in due course they will remedy this and release a new model, and perhaps in recognition for my work they might even name it the PS-300.
Sangean, oh Sangean, why are you so stupid, man? Were you sucking on a bong when you made this circuit wrong? You've gone and made me earn my keep when I just want a musical sleep.